How to check Monese bank account number. Monese is a UK-based fintech company offering mobile-only banking services with no credit checks, multi-currency accounts, and international money transfers, making it especially accessible to people who struggle to open traditional bank accounts. First, download Monese Bank application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with email and password. So to do this, you first of all want to load up the Monese app, and you will be taken to a screen that looks like this. From here, all you need to do is simply scroll down, guys, and then you will see your account details. It shows the sort code and account number, and if we go ahead and click into this, we can see everything right here, including the name, account number. That's it. Thanks for watching.